Good morning, children. We are discussing about animal behavior from last class onwards. Yesterday, I taught some points about animal behavior, that is instinct, imprinting, conditioning, and imitation. First one is instinct. Instinct. Second one is imprinting. Third one is conditioning. Fourth one is imitation that we are discussing. The meaning of instinct is nothing but the organism need not be learned. The organism which shows its character will come from by birth onwards. By birth onwards, the characters will come. There is no need of learning or practicing. Okay, example is spider. Best example is spider. Spider will weave its web properly because it is not learned by itself, but it is do itself only. Do itself. It can't learn anywhere. It can't train anywhere. By itself only it can make its web. Okay. Spider. Best example is spider. So second thing is imprinting. Imprinting. Imprinting is nothing but chickens and ducklings able to walk almost immediately after hatching from the eggs. Hatching from the eggs. Ducklings can even swim after 4 days. Within 2-3 days only, the ducklings will swim behind its mother. This is the characteristic of imprinting. And also one more thing. Ducklings will follow the first moving object they meet after hatching. Ducklings, when it is coming from the eggs onwards after hatching, immediately which object will be seen by them? Moving object. These ducklings will feel that is its mother. There is an association between the moving object and these ducklings. Like that, it will feel. Nowadays, even if you see chicks also will do the same activity. If you are giving food to the chicks, okay, the small chicks will follow you definitely, and ducklings also will do same thing. When any object is moving in front of any person, otherwise any animal, something which are favorable, okay, which doesn't harm to the those chicks or ducklings, which are moving in front of them, they feel that is as their mother. That is a characteristic of imprinting. This type of character will be seen in these two type of organisms. Okay, next one is the conditioning. Conditioning. Okay, in this conditioning, we are understanding about in general way, a student can stand as per the SPL words in assembly, school assembly, and also in classroom also. When teacher is entering the class, immediately student is standing and wishing, and after reaction of this teacher, then we are sitting down on benches. Okay, this is condition. And in singing of national anthem, the time when you are singing, you are standing in attention position only, because respect. Okay, it is respect to giving respect to the national anthem. And when you are speaking with elders also in the school premises, you are standing in proper position, not as your wish. In front of principal or HM or teachers, you are keep tying your hands. Okay, tying your hands and standing good position and speaking gently. That is also conditioning. During Janaganamana, Vande Mataram, these national anthems, when you are singing, you are standing in attention position. Remember, in general songs, you may stand as your wish. There is no doubt at all. Okay, this is nothing but conditioning. And after hearing the bell sound also, after 3 periods in our school, 3 periods, first morning time, first 3 periods, when it is over, bell is given and you are ready to move out. And in that time you want to go somewhere to the any water, face wash, drinking water, and meeting your brothers and sisters also. Okay, so this is the example of condition. Next one is mm, Ivan, that is experiment about this conditioning. One scientist, Russian scientist, experimented on dog. On dog. Okay, that is called as Ivan Pavlov experiment. This is called as Ivan Pavlov experiment. In this experiment, first of all, he chose a dog. He chose a dog. Okay, any problem? No problem. He chose a dog. So when he chose a dog, generally food is given. It is going common. But next day onwards, you practice like that. Later, next day onwards, when he is providing food, at the time he is ringing the bell also. He is ringing the bell like us only. In school times, lunch bell time, like that only. He used the bell and produce sound and provide the food to the dog. So like that he repeated so many times. So the dog also thinking, when bell sound is giving, I am getting the food. It is thinking like that. Okay. Because he practiced like that. The Ivan Pavlov, Russian scientist, practiced like that. Bell is ringing. At the same time, food is provided to the dog. So he practiced like that as an experiment. So one day he stopped giving the food, but he rings the bell. He rings the bell, but not giving the food. At the time, the dog is thinking, I am getting the food. I am going to eat the food. Then, when it is getting that feeling, the dog gets salivates. The dog gets salivate. అంటే దాని నోటి నుంచి saliva వస్తుంది. Because when any organism seeing its food, salivation starts. Common phenomena. Same way here also, when he is practiced like that, bell sound and food. Bell sound and food. He did like that only. So when he practiced like that, automatically next day, even if the food is not provided by the scientist, at the time bell was rang up, but food was not provided, but it salivates commonly. So this is also one of the example of conditioning reflex. Conditioning. Okay, so this is also one of the this animal behavior conditioning. Understand? So like this, instinct, first one is instinct, secondly imprinting, third one is condition. మనం చూడొచ్చు అసెంబ్లీలో అటెన్షన్ స్టాండ్ అట్ హిస్ పొజిషన్స్. When SPL is announcing in mic, as per that we are doing attention stand at its positions. And sometimes you may know the march fast also. March fast. What is march fast? As per the drum sounds, you are moving properly. Okay, in a proper way you are moving. Movement of your legs and hands also. This is also one of the example of conditioning. And fourth one is imitation. What is imitation? Imitation is a type of behavior where one animal copies another animal. It is also one type of బిహేవియర్. వన్ యానిమల్ కాపీస్ ద అదర్ యానిమల్. ఒక యానిమల్ ఏం చేస్తుందో అట్లాగనే వేరొక యానిమల్ చేయడానికి కూడా ప్రయత్నించడం అనమాట. దీన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం? ఇమిటేషన్. వన్ యానిమల్ కాపీస్ ద అదర్ యానిమల్ బిహేవియర్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇమిటేషన్. ఓకే. హ్యూమన్ ఆఫెన్ ఇమిటేట్ ఈచ్ అదర్. మా జంతువులే కాదు, మన జంతువులే కాదు, మనం కూడా ఒక్కొక్కసారి వేరే ఒకరిని చూసి మనం ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉంటాం. మేబీ హెయిర్ స్టైల్. Nowadays, most of the students are having the modern hairstyles. They are seeing those photographs in a saloon and they ask it to the saloon wala to do same way only. Kada? Am I right? So like this type of process is nothing but imitation. Pants, dresses, okay, shoes, hairstyle, uh, girls, nails, okay, so many whatnot. Everything is nothing but imitation only. Hero imitation, hero worship. మీకు నచ్చిన హీరోని వర్షిప్ చేస్తారు. హౌ ద హీరో ఈజ్ బిహేవింగ్, హౌ ద హీరో wearing the dresses, maintain the dresses, maintain the hairstyles, same thing we have to copy it. Sure. And girls, which they have, whom they have heroine, then they are following the style of heroine, movements of heroine, style of heroine. Yeah, so these are also nothing but imitation only, imitation only. Okay. Mostly younger ones will follow the adults. Younger ones imitate the adults also. Okay. Scientists thinking that happens so that the speakers feel more easy with the other. Some scientists are thinking that humans are only animals that copy each other. కొంతమంది ఏమనుకుంటారు సైంటిస్టులు, హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్సే కాపీ చేస్తారు అదర్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్. బట్ సమ్ సైంటిస్ట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఎక్స్ప్రెసింగ్ animals also will copy the other animals. Okay. Best example, chimpanzee when it is going to eat, it will follow the some techniques. Suppose chimpanzee, this type of organisms like to eat juicy, okay, juicy fruits, otherwise honey, etc. When they are going to eat those, the big elder chimpanzee will use some sticks. So the same technique will follow the young ones also. So this is nothing but imitation. Okay. Nowadays in TV channels also you are observing, in mobile hours you are observing some monkeys animal behavior lo, animal planet lo animal behavior మనకు తెలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. The mother is other father of those animals are doing some activities, hunting of other animal, otherwise escaping from other animal. The same technique is following, same skill is following by these younger ones also. Okay. If your father or mother is following good activities, doing good activities, you are also following the same thing only. Okay. Your mother and father is worshipping the god early morning, you are also following the same thing. Okay. And they are doing the sometimes starvation, ఉపవాసం చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కొన్ని రోజుల్లో. ఆ సమయంలో కూడా మీరు ఉపవాసం రిలేటెడ్ టు మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్, వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారో, ఏ పూజ, ఏ విధంగా ఉపవాసం చేస్తున్నారో, సేమ్ థింగ్ యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో imitation only. Imitation is somewhat good only, and this is learning skill. Imitation is nothing but learning skill. Okay, now we are coming to human behavior. In human being also there are some things, same type of animal behavior, instinct. Okay, instinct and imitation, conditioning also is there. Okay, instinct, human have instinct, but it is possible for us to overcome natural urges. Natural urges. Generally, in house, in our houses, if younger ones are there, if they are ready to eat, if they are feeling hungry, if you provide the food, if your mother is provide the food, the younger one ready to eat. But when the family members are sitting near the డైనింగ్ టేబుల్ అందరూ కూడా ఒకేసారి కూర్చున్నప్పుడు previously when the food is given the younger one is eating because of his hungry feeling, but when they are forming as a group of the family members of the family, then all members are going to start at once. ఒకడు వచ్చేసి తినేసేసి ఒక బాబు వచ్చేసి తినేసి ముందు వెళ్ళిపోడు, లేదా ఒక మీ సిస్టర్ వచ్చేసి తినేసి ముందు వెళ్ళిపోయి కూర్చోదు. ఆల్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ గ్యాదర్డ్ అండ్ సిట్టింగ్ క్వైట్లీ అండ్ షేరింగ్ ద ఫుడ్, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ ద ఫుడ్ అండ్ ఈటింగ్ పాసిబుల్ మేనర్. నెమ్మదిగా చక్కగా హాయిగా తింటారు. దెన్ లేటర్ యూఆర్ కమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్స్టింక్ట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ద యంగర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఈటింగ్ very fast, but by following some days, few days, the younger ones also will do like you only. How we are doing good way, same way the younger ones also, your brother or sister also. వాళ్ళు చిన్నపిల్లలు కాబట్టి కొంచెం త్వరగా తినేసేస్తారు ముందు. కానీ రాను రాను బై ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ డే బై డే ఆల్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ గ్యాదరింగ్ at dining table and we are going to eat gently, softly, ఈక్వల్లీ కదా. చక్కగా హాయిగా మంచిగా భోజనం చేస్తారు. అవి మేబీ లంచ్ ఆర్ డిన్నర్, మోస్ట్లీ డిన్నర్ కదా. సో యు ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ కంఫర్ట్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ షేరింగ్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే, యువర్ మదర్ ఈజ్ గివింగ్ ఫుడ్ అడిషనల్, eat and eat like that. So you may following the same technique. Okay, this is nothing but instinct. Next one is imitation. Once next thing, imitation. People often imitate each other. People often imitate each other. Maybe good habits or bad habits. Mostly good habits only. They have to imitate. Only very few members of the society will follow the other activities, but mostly 99.99% of people are following good habits from others. They have learned good habits from others. This is nothing but imitation. Okay, now next conditioning. In this conditioning of the people are learned some type of skills. They use pictures of their products. మనకి బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏంటంటే మేబీ యూ ఆర్ యువర్ బ్రదర్ ఆర్ యువర్ సిస్టర్, మోస్ట్లీ యువర్ బ్రదర్. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యువర్ మదర్ ఈజ్ ఆఫర్ milk with Horlicks, you may refuse. No need that Horlicks milk, give to sister, but I want Boost kada. A boy asked the mother, milk with Boost only. Why? Because the boy watched the television ad, cricketer ad, Boost is secret of my energy, Boost is secret of my energy kada. So like that, by watching that ad, the boy also like to drink this Boost only, milk with Boost, but not Horlicks. Horlicks meant for only ladies, mommy. The Boost is meant for ourselves, because we are playing cricket, this and that, like that they have to express. Okay, and shoes, dresses also we are going to taking, and soap, mainly soaps, Lux soap or Santur soap also Conditional effect, conditioning effect. Mom, I want that soap only. Mom, I want this soap only. Okay, your order your mother. Okay, because a glamorous to develop the glamour. Okay, next. There are some advertisements. ఓకే బూస్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, సోప్స్ అవ్వచ్చు, హార్లిక్స్ అవ్వచ్చు, వాట్ నాట్ మెనీ యాడ్స్ విల్ కమ్ త్రూ ద టీవీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. సో ఇన్ ద టీవీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ విచ్ ad will attract you as per that only you are going to do. You are going to buy the things also as per the ad. యాజ్ పర్ ద యాడ్స్ ఏమొస్తున్నాయో ఆ విధంగా మనం ఫాలో అవడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఆ విధంగా మనం ఉండడానికి కావాల్సినవి తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేటింగ్ బిహేవియర్. సో ఇన్వెస్టిగేటింగ్ బిహేవియర్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ మెనీ వేరియబుల్స్. మనం కొన్నిసార్లు షాపింగ్కి వెళ్తున్నాం, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తున్నాం. వీ విల్ గో టు షాప్ సమ్ టైమ్స్. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్స్ కాస్ట్, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్స్ క్వాలిటీ, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్స్ నేచర్, లైక్ దట్ వీ విల్ ఆస్క్ సో మెనీ క్వశ్చన్స్. maybe 101 questions we will ask the shop wala. After investigation only we will buy the things. That is called as investigation behavior. And it is also needed for us. Sometimes we know we shouldn't buy the things blindly. By investigation only, investigating process only, we are going to buy the things. Necessary things which are practicing by, which are buying things every day in generally, okay. But when you are going to buy as your wish, you are going to investigate the shop wala. షాప్ అంకుల్ని చాలా ప్రశ్నలు అడిగి ఆ మెటీరియల్ గురించి, ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి నీవు ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా ఉంటే అప్పుడు సాటిస్ఫై అయితే ఆ మెటీరియల్ తీసుకుంటావు. ఓకే, లేకపోతే అదర్ మెటీరియల్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో లైక్ దిస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్. ఓకే, ఈవెన్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ద డాక్టర్, ఆఫ్టర్ మీటింగ్ ద డాక్టర్ విల్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేట్ యూ. కొట్టడం అడుగుతాడు, నిన్నేం చేసి తిన్నావు, ఏం తాగావు. యూఆర్ సఫరింగ్ విత్ స్టమక్ ఏక్, దెన్ యూ ఆర్ మెట్ ద డాక్టర్. యూ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ, నేనేం తిన్నావమ్మా, ఏం చేసావు, ఏం తాగావు. So many questions he will ask you. Later, when he is getting one conclusion, then only he is going to prescribe some medicines. Okay, blindly stomach ache. బాబు నీకు స్టమక్ ఏక్ వచ్చింది, ట్యాబ్లెట్ తీసుకుని ఒక మాట చెప్పేశాడు వెంటనే. నేనేం చేసావు, నేనేం తిన్నావు, ఏమి తాగావు, లైక్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆస్క్డ్ బై ద డాక్టర్. దెన్ he will give the medicine. Okay, next one is investigation in the fields. Okay, sometimes we will enquiry about some animals also. మనం ఒక విషయం గుర్తు చేసుకుంటే కనుక, some crows are there in our garden, on trees. Crows will come, they are making noise. కాకులు అరుస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా, మంచిగా కాగేస్తుంది. When you enter in the garden and reaching the trees with stick or stone, the elder crow will find out you and it will give the signal, and it is straight to moving out. Later other crows also will join along with the leader crow. అవునా కదా, పెద్ద కాగి ఉంటుంది, అది మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తుంది, మీరు కొట్టబోతున్నారు, రాయి తీశారు, అది కర్ర తీశారు, కొట్టబోతున్నారు. అది వెంటనే సిగ్నల్ ఇస్తుంది మిగతా వాటికి కూడా. అప్పుడు ఆ మిగిలిన కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ద లీడర్, అదర్వైజ్ లీడర్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ ఇన్ దీస్ బర్డ్స్ అండ్ యానిమల్స్. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే Sometimes if the birds are animals, it will move in one type in alone condition. ఒక్కతే ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఒక యానిమల్ ఒకటే ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకలా ఉంటుంది బిహేవియర్. And when it is going to join with other animal, little bit difference is there. And uh, with many more, a group, and the behavior is a little bit different. So this type of behavior also observed by the scientists many times in many type of animals. Okay, next, the scientists record this behavior of animal in single and family and in group condition also. Okay, art family kuda ఉంటుంది కదా. So the scientists are recorded their behavior of animal as in condition of alone and family and in a group also. So they notified some differences in the behavior of animals. Okay, behavior of animals when they are in the different type of conditions. Next is tagging. Tag ante మీకు తెలుసు, when you are buying the new clothes, tags will be there, 2-3 tags will be there. Same way here also, tags will be given to the birds also, because birds will migrate from one place to another place, animals will migrate from one place to another place. So the scientists are recording the behavior of birds and animals here, and they are tying the tag to the leg, from which place onwards the birds are migrating, flying from that place to other area. Best example, Siberian crane. Okay, Siberian crane. Those cranes migrate from Siberia located in Russia. Okay, it is a very coldest place. Okay, and in those areas, the birds which are living in the Siberian lake, in the winter season, the Siberia lake will be frozen. The food may not available to these birds. That's why it is the birds migrate towards the temperate region such as India. So to the India, those birds will be migrated and living in different areas where the food is available, like lakes, okay, big pond, to Kamam Paleru reservoir is there. Okay, and in Warangal, near Warangal, one more reservoir is there, and in Nellore, Pulikat lake is there. So many lakes are there in India. Okay, so in these to these areas, these birds are migrated. Okay, so when these birds are migrating, the scientists observed, okay, and they're giving tag to the leg కి ఒక ట్యాగ్ కడతారు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అనేసి. Then here also in our area also, scientists are trying to find out the birds belonging country. అది ఏ దేశానికి చెందింది అనేది వాళ్ళు గుర్తిస్తారు అనమాట. నాట్ ఓన్లీ సైబీరియన్, మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద cranes or birds are migrate from one place to other area, because other regions of the world are frozen. In this condition, food may not available, but in India food is available, because here no frozen conditions are there, no frozen. That's why every time water is available except in summer, but most of the time is water is available. That's why those birds migrate from different regions of the world to India and develop in these areas also. Later, after the winter season over, then these birds will be migrated from our India to other countries. During these times, the scientists giving tags to the birds' legs. Okay, which country belong, the bird belongs to which country, the animal belongs to which country, like that they can give tags. And here also the scientists, biologists or zoologists will find out the bird belongs to particular area. They can record this matter. Okay, this is also one type of animal behavior. Next one is మనకి స్వీట్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి కదా ఇంట్లో. సో when your mother is kept some sweets in steel tin and kept in cupboard, but next day you will see a row. Which row ants. Okay, the red ants will move in a line to the sweet box or sweet tin. Okay, how it is moving. And when you switch off the lights during night, even though in the dark the cockroaches are reaching to your kitchen and moving around itself. Okay, కిచెన్ అంతా అవి సెర్చింగ్ చేస్తాయి ఎక్కడ ఫుడ్ దొరుకుతుంది అనేసి. హౌ ఇట్ విల్ మూవ్. అండ్ మస్కిటోస్ ఆల్సో, ఈవెన్ ఇన్ ఆబ్సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద లైట్, directly it will come from other areas, and particularly on your legs or hands it will bite and suck the blood. Who brought those mosquitoes from other areas to our body? Okay, this is also one type of animal behavior. And bats and owls are especially moving at night for the searching of the food. Bats and owls, but they do not move at day, but they can move at night only. In absence of light also, they travel in night for searching of the food. Okay, how it is possible? Okay, next, when you untie the neck of the bull during the plowing, it won't escape. Even if it's tying or untying the neck, it is going on. But when you leaving the untie of the neck of the bull during the plowing, it may not go. What is the reason here? This is also one type of animal behavior. The farmer may not instruct, నేను బెల్ట్ తీసాను, నేను మెడకున్న బెల్ట్ తీసాను, నువ్వు కదలొద్దు, కొడతాను అని చెప్పడు. Even though, even unexpectedly or actually accidentally, if the tie was untied, okay, the belt was untied, even though it may not escape from that place, it is moving gently along with the other bull. Okay, as per the need. ఓకే, అక్కడ ఎలా అవసరం ఉన్నదో అట్లా అదర్ బుల్ ఏ విధంగా తిరుగుతుందో నడుస్తుందో అదే విధంగా ఇది కూడా నడుస్తుంది. నో డౌట్ ఎట్ ఆల్. ఓకే, బర్డ్స్ కలెక్ట్ మెటీరియల్ విచ్ ఈజ్ సాఫ్ట్ స్ట్రాంగ్ బిల్డ్ నెస్ట్. వీవర్ బర్డ్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి, అవి చక్కగా త్రీ లీవ్స్ని తీసుకుంటున్నాయి. థ్రెడ్స్ని, అంటే ద ఫైబర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ కలెక్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద leaves, otherwise the bark of the trees, collect the fibers and making the nest. One is for base and another one is top and sides. So like this, it adjusted 3 or 4 leaves and making nest. Whether you observed or not, I don't know. So like this, the birds will do. And cranes will do one more thing. It collects the twigs. Crows also collect the twigs, small twigs. Okay, and it will arrange near the bunches of the tree. Trees ekkada untunayo, so where the branches are there, 2-3 branches where it is possible to form, ఎక్కడైతే బ్రాంచెస్ 3 లేక 4 బ్రాంచెస్ ఒక చోట ఉంటున్నాయో, in that place where the branches are found, 3 or 4 branches are found on the main stem of the tree, it will arrange nest. It will arrange, but not down at height only, to escape from the predators, other animals onwards. Okay, this is also one type of animal behavior. Next, beaver. Beaver is a animal, big animal, just like bear. Beaver, beaver. This type of animal can be found in North America. Okay, but it likes to eat only fishes. Okay, fishes. నార్త్ అమెరికాలో కెనాల్స్లో స్ట్రీమ్స్లో ఉంటుందన్నమాట. And it is having sharp teeth. With the help of sharp teeth, it will cut off the branches of the trees, and constructing a dam across the canal, stream, or small rivers. And it will keep stones might also. First of all, it arranges the cut of the branches of trees and arranging across the river. And the stones also, big stones, small stones, and mud also will be arranged to allows to stagnate the water. And it is shelter for those organisms and likes to get the more food in the stagnated water. Okay, this is also one type of animal behavior. Next one is wasp. You know the wasp, కందరీగలు తెలుసు కదా మీకు. So wasp is an intelligent bee which builds its home keeping in view of its future needs. Wasp builds hive on the walls of by using mud only. It collects the first of all clayish soil. clay ఉంటుంది కదా, జిగురు మట్టి అంటారు కదా. సో clayish soil, and it adds some water, and when it is added the water to the soil, it became soft and just like gum. So it makes as a balls, and one by one it arranges the balls at the top of the walls, corner of the walls or top of the walls. You may notice that where there is no disturbance to those wasp, in that areas it will, because down areas there is a disturbance for those things, but whereas at the top of the roof, okay, just where the edge of the wall will going to join with the roof, in that places it will construct its hive. Okay, so like this it is going to do, and it gets the food material by finding the some larval forms of other insects. Okay, insect larval form అంటే కొన్ని వామ్స్ ఇలాంటివి ఉంటాయి కదా, వాస్ప్ లాంటివి ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. సో ఇన్సెక్ట్ యంగ్ వన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, యంగ్ వన్స్ కాల్డ్ as larval form. So to this larval form it inject its venom. Venom అంటే ఏంటి? poisonous substance, a poisonous substance which is present in the sting of the wasp. కందరీగలకు సౌండ్ చేస్తే బాగా చాలా డేంజరస్ అవి. అది కుట్టిందంటే we will feel so much pain also. So in that condition it inject the venom to the larval form, it will die. Then the type of larval form will be collected by this organism and it will eat away. Okay children, so like this it is going to do. Next one is some experiments towards animal intelligence. చాలా బర్డ్స్ లేకపోతే యానిమల్స్ చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్గా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఇంటెలిజెంట్, they don't know the teaching or any other thing, but they have to follow some intelligent techniques to preserve the food material, and in many activities also we will see once. People believe or not, but cheating, bluffing, hiding also characteristic feature of animals. మనం నమ్మం అలా చేస్తాయా అనేసి, బట్ దోస్ ఆర్గనిజమ్స్ ఆర్ యానిమల్స్ విల్ డూ. చీట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి, బ్లఫ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి, హైడ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాయి. సో మెనీ యాక్టివిటీస్ విల్ బీ క్యారీడ్ అవుట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. Okay, of course that is needed for those also. Just I will give some examples. Okay, a scrubgy bird will collect the food material, and it brings at one place and make holes in the ground, soil, okay, for a future use. A bird called scrubjay hides its food, but unfortunately, when it searches back its own food, it finds another scrubjay had already stolen. ఓకే, అదేమనుకుంటుందంటే ఫుడ్ తెచ్చుకుంటుంది. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కీపింగ్ ఇట్స్ ఫుడ్ ఇన్ ద సాయిల్ బై మేకింగ్ హోల్. గుంట చేస్తుంది, అందులో ఫుడ్ దాచేస్తుంది, కవర్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ మూవింగ్ బ్యాక్. వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మూవింగ్ బ్యాక్ ఇట్ ఫర్గట్ ద ప్లేస్. అండ్ ఓకే, అది అలా దాచేస్తుంది కదా. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ థింకింగ్ నో బడీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అండ్ ద ఫుడ్ వోంట్ బి స్టోలెన్. ఇట్స్ సేఫ్ కండిషన్. ఇక్కడ దాచేసాను, నన్ను ఎవరు గమనించలేదు, నా ఫుడ్ ఎవరు తీసుకెళ్ళరు. ఓకే, లైక్ దిస్ ఇట్ ఫీల్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్. సో the food is useful for its life. It will do same activity, but of course sometimes it will forget also, but mostly it hides its food. It hides its food. And one more example I am going to give you: squirrel. Squirrel also gets a food, mostly fruits only. Those fruits are and keeping in ground by making hole. గుంట చేస్తుంది, ఆ గుంటలో ఫుడ్ దాస్తుంది. అగైన్ ఇట్ కవర్స్ ద పిట్ with leaves. Oh, there is no problem, no other organism is observed me, and no other organism will find my food, so I will manage like this. And it will do one more thing also. It will do some empty holes in చేస్తుంది, but no food should be preserved. Only in few pits only the food will be preserved by itself and covers with leaves. Whereas it will do same thing. It makes some pits and the food won't be preserved in that places, and leaves will be covered. So it should bluff the other organism. It thinking the other birds will come, other organism will come and searching this pit. In this pit food is not there. So when the food is not available for that animal, it will go away, but it may not come to my place where I have preserved the food. Like that it is feeling, and it will do that type of activity. So children, up to now we have learned so many matter. Tomorrow I will give you more information in the same related matter. Okay, thank you, bye.